And you need to lose money also to learn, okay? But just don't lose more than you're willing to lose, right? Nothing here is financial advice, guys. Make sure to smash up that like button on your way out and check out Natalie. She is live right now. Thanks for the stream, baby. Joseph, thank you for the insane support, guys. You guys are amazing. I will see you in the Telegram group. Link is down below, the Telegram, Discord. Tag me once in a while, guys. Tag me down in the Telegram group. I like to join there sometimes. So if you tag me, and if I don't answer, tag me twice. Tag me twice. I will be there. I will be there at some point. Ask me about anything, any altcoin, my opinion. And yeah, I might be totally wrong or I might be totally right. It is what it is. Guys, Natalie's live. Make sure to check it out. I'm going to jump there to a live stream. The link is in the comment section. Miss Fibonacci, I am spamming the chat now like nobody. I know you have 35 seconds and I can spam the chat as much as I want. Make sure to check it out, guys. She is live right now. Let's go and see Natalie. Hasta la casta, baby. Thanks, guys. What is going on, my crypto legends? We're going to go through S&P 500. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. What is going on, guys? How is everyone doing? Let me know in the comment section. Make sure to get your cup of tea. Everything seems like summertime, says Emmanuel. I'm going to go through the comment section here 1 second. I'm just going to say, make sure everything's all right. Hello, everyone. Make sure to scroll down and smash up that like button, guys. It only takes 2 seconds to scroll down, smash up the like button before we start the stream. And yeah, let's dive into it, guys. We're going to take a look at S&P 500. I think there is a major bounce to come for the S&P 500. I think S&P 500 is going to have a bullish rest of the week, and I'll explain why. Okay, I did have a long position here. I got stopped out at break even, and there is even a better position for a long position in my opinion, and I'm going to explain why during this live stream if I do have some time. I do see this harmonic butterfly pattern playing out and coming all the way up to retest the resistance of this ascending channel. Okay, on the S&P 500 we've been creating a channel, you know, November, December, and now we are at the very low part of the channel at the support, right? We're going to go through this, and yeah, if S&P 500 is going to be bullish during the next coming days and maybe part of next week, I think it should have some good effect on Bitcoin. But like we were talking about, Bitcoin is not looking too good. I am still in my short position here on Bybit. I do believe so that the $40,600 to $40,800 is very likely to happen in the next coming hours, potentially. Right now, you know the deal. The more times you retest a support, the more likely it is to be broken. Now we are retesting this support over and over again, as you can see here on this chart. Okay, this is the 1 hourly chart for Bitcoin. We are currently just retesting here several times right now, okay, between yesterday and today. I'm talking about that $41,600 range where we did have a lot of support level. Why did we have support? We got a massive spike here on the volume profile. We've also got several retesters, as you can see, and we are having that roll down. Okay, we've been spotting this potential roll down since we were trading at these areas. Why did I think we were going to roll down from this area? Because I'm sorry guys, because of this massive drop that we had. Okay, we did have a massive drop here with volume, high volume. Okay, high volume, big drop. Where did the drop start? If we take a look at the 1 hourly or the 4 hourly time frame, it doesn't matter. This all over here is a consolidation. You start the drop from right over here to the low part right there. We also did see, you know, that perfect touch to the golden pocket, to that area where we potentially want to short. I did actually short this. If you guys remember, we did have a massive rejection right over there, which was perfect to enter a short trade, and I did take some profits all the way down here. Because I was expecting that bounce of, you know, this resistance also. There was other factors, all right, to take profits there. There was massive confluence as support. So it was very, very likely we were going to get a bounce at these levels like explained on other videos. This is why it was a short take profit. And I'm in another short position just right over here. Now, I did not enter this short position, guys, straight away. I wanted to see the price action of Bitcoin getting exhausted, confirming that lower high right over there for that potential rollover continuation. This is why I entered the short. My short is protected right now. My take profit won, and I might take most of my profit there because I do think that, you know, some kind of major bounce will happen at the low 40Ks or at 39, 38K levels. All right, we do have a second target which we'll go through today also. But take profit one, I do think that we are going to break slightly this level, and we might be hitting that, you know, $40,600, $800 level. All right, and we could get a bounce from that range. Now we could get a bounce from this level, okay, because it's very, very strong support, as you can see on the chart. But it's getting hit, and every time, you know, the more times you hit it, the weaker it gets, right? Especially coming from a downtrend. If you're hitting that support, it's very, very likely you're going to roll back down. So yeah, I wanted to take a look at this Gartley pattern right over here. Okay, this is the most conservative one because there is a alt bat pattern, which is another harmonic one. Whoops, sorry, let me just put this right over there, right over here. And basically from this low right there, we got a potential Gartley pattern right there. And, you know, we might get a massive bounce, which is at the 40,600. So taking profits at 40,800, 600 already makes sense because a Gartley, this is a bullish Gartley where you might get a pretty big bounce from this D point. That is my point of view, guys. It is possible, there is a possibility that you're not going to form this pattern and you are going to get a massive bounce from this level, because it's very, very strong support. Overall, I am still leaning, you know, with the probabilities that we will get that drop in the coming hours, potentially. It looks very likely that we are going to have that drop live. Now, yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to go through the comment section straight away. Obviously, you might ask me, sorry, that what should I do? Should I, you know, go long? Should I go short? Well, you know, at this point, this is a non-trading zone in my opinion, because we could get a bounce or we could break down. I am leaning more to the side that we are breaking down from this support level where we do have all of this confluence. We are at the very, very verge of the mountain here. So it's very, very likely that we are going to see volatility if we are, you know, we're holding by a thread. It is a major level, so we might see a little bit of a sharp drop to the $40,800, $40,600 range, maybe in minutes. So yeah, that is my take. Unless we do get a bounce, we are just at critical level. I would short right over here. I would have short there, which I did. You know, a potential long right there. I did not catch this long position because my order was slightly below. You know the reasons why I wanted to long this. We talked about it on the other videos, right? This must have been a live stream on the 14th, potentially. And yeah, basically because of volume profile, basically because of this being a potential ABC correction right there, which we did get a massive bounce because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, and then the ABC correction. It was 62% golden pocket. It was volume, you know, a lot of confluence around that range. It was an insane long opportunity. If you didn't long there, well, yeah, I did manage to catch that long. Now, let's dive in straight into the comment section, and then we'll go through some altcoins and yeah, the rest of it. So yeah, major drop is very, very possible. Okay, guys, so hold on tight. We might be having a little bit of turbulence in the next coming hours. Right, everything seems just like summertime. Yeah, also very possible. A little bit different. It's a little bit different, but I get the deal here. I think you're talking about this potential scenario right over here, maybe playing out something very similar. Okay, we do have some similarities here with this kind of price action, as you can see. Very similar price action happening right here. Well, we should have got a better bounce than this one that we've just had. But, you know, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. We could, you know, roll down from here. And I actually think that we will roll down from these levels. So, and you know, maybe that spring point is going to come sooner than later. In between this week and next week. But I am expecting that drop, guys, in between $37,000 and $40,000. In between this range, this is my opinion right there, between this support there, which is the $37,000, and this support over here, which is the $40,000. So I think that area is going to be a major buy zone right there. This for me is going to be a buy. Now, obviously, we could drop to $30,000 in a matter of a few days. So, but that is going to be my take, that this area is going to be a buy zone right there, because a massive spring point will happen, right? So that is my take. That is my total opinion. You know, if we come all the way down here and hit $30,000, all of you trolls can come down, scroll down in the comment section, and yeah, basically, yeah. Right, buenos dias, says Isabel Costa. Hello, you are late, man. Yes, a few minutes late. I am sorry, but I'm here. BTC going down. Yes, sir. Very much predicted. Very much expected. So nothing, yeah, BTC going down. We are in a short, well, I am in a short position because I talked about this, you know, a couple of days back, where I'm expecting Bitcoin actually to go even to $40,600 potentially. Right, Lauren, how are you? Nice to see you here. Man, why did I buy at 64k? Lawrence, really? Well, I mean, just dollar cost average. Yo, S Mario, how are you? Dollar cost averaging is the best thing you could do for the long run, okay, in my opinion. Why did I buy at 64? A lot of people must have bought at 64, okay. I know a lot of people are relatively new. A lot of you people might have, you know, entered the market at the beginning of 2021, and even a lot of you watching right now entered the market in between September and October when, you know, we were having this bullish action. It's just how it works. I can see it also on the YouTube channel that people lose interest when the market is going down, and I have more viewers, you know, when the market is going up. And it shouldn't be like that, guys. It should be the other way around. You need to look for opportunities when the market's going down, right? So it is what it is. What are we going to do about it? Human emotions. Right. Hi, Andy, mate. How are you? Can you look at COTI USDT when you get a chance, bro? Emerging development. Let's take a look at COTI, because COTI got absolutely crushed. Absolutely crushed COTI. After being at that major level. COTI USDT, yeah, we had this potential cup and handle scenario that did not play out, but it was a little bit, it wasn't the best looking cup and handle, because I like to see the cup and handle obviously at the very top, the formation at the very top, not dropping and forming it around here. It wasn't the best looking one. We created a very horrible double top, okay, with some very big bearish diversions that played out, okay. This is on the daily chart, looking at COTI. We got COTI here with this high right there. So yeah, the alarms were already there on COTI, especially when you creating this top right there and you're starting to drop. Look at this, you know, massive lower highs on the RSI, creating a double top that is hidden. No, not hidden. Sorry, this is exaggerated bearish divergence. when you create a double top and the RSI is making lower highs, and basically this played out almost to perfection, I would say, because the technical target is getting the top range to the support level from the breakout right there. You basically met the target here where we are getting supported. So overall, this one is looking very, very bullish because we did get supported very, very nicely from this lower range here. Looking at Coty, it's nice sometimes just to get a nice, fresh, clean chart. Very, very good levels right there. Now, you might think to yourself, is this a head and shoulder pattern right there? With a head with a double head, right? Because you can see we have massive, and this is on the daily, guys. Let me just zoom in so you can see this, where you do have the daily closes right over here at about 29.30 cents, right? Round over here, you can see the closes here getting massive support. So you got this kind of price action, then you have this massive price action, and then you have the price action coming back down to this support range, and then having these highs. Are they going to get exhausted and you're going to come back down to this 30-cent support level? That is the question. I would say no. I would say that you are going to get a massive bounce from this level finally and continue to much higher levels. But you could arguably discuss that this is a head and shoulder, right? I don't think this is the case. Technical target for this head and shoulder, and I do not like seeing that these macro patterns. This would take us well below -0, so it can't happen. I would go because from these lows to these highs, it is the first time you are retesting this area. Okay, from the low to the highs, yeah, you're basically hitting that golden pocket right there. Okay, that's 65% level right over here. You are hitting it, very, very nicely. So this already is looking very, very bullish. I would become extremely bullish as soon as you get above this lower high, right? Because you are creating lower highs right there. Okay, lower highs. If you do manage to close a nice daily lower high, it's going to be a very, very good opportunity to get back into a long position on the actual retracement, right? You want to break the last lower high. In this case, you would say it's this one right now where we're currently getting rejected, but it would be better to break this one over here and close a nice daily candle above 45 cents. Then, any type of retracement will be an insane great opportunity. You need to take a look at the fib levels from the low to the high, looking for that 50% golden pocket ratio. You've also got this level of resistance that will be turning into support. So yeah, we need to wait for some kind of movements that will confirm a potential uptrend. And I would say it is very, very likely. I do like this kind of price action because you are creating a double bottom, just like here you created a double top. It would be nice. Yeah, I would say, and it's not really confirmed, but it would be nice this being an exact double bottom. If we would have had a little bit more price action here to the downside, you can see the RSI on the daily creating higher lows and price action making sideways action. That would be exaggerated divergence. So there is bullish divergence, exaggerated bullish divergence, where you are going to have that bullish effect in the next coming weeks. So I would wait for a bit of confirmation because you are still creating lower highs. Next coming days will be crucial. If Bitcoin does hit $40,000, $39,000, $38,000, expect this one to roll back down, okay? We need to wait a little bit for more confirmation. I've just given you the bullish case scenario. I think bearish case scenario would be losing this support level. I think this support level will not be lost. We'll maybe have volatility below this range. This very much looks like Bitcoin on the like Bitcoin. Basically, you have the summer right there, you have the September high, you have the November high right over here, And yeah, basically you are retesting the September lows, right? Very, very similar to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently at that low $42,000, $42,000 range, you know, or retesting the September lows, right? So very, very, very similar chart also. I think whatever Bitcoin does, a lot of the altcoins are going to follow, such as Koti. So yeah. Glad to join the live stream. Thanks for all your TA, man. Eddie, you're very welcome. Let's take a look at BNB, please, says AK. Let's take a look at BNB. Binance. Let's take a look at it straight away. What have we got for Binance? Long time since we haven't checked out Binance. A long, long time. Wow, Binance entered a great short opportunity basically yesterday. Missed out totally on this one. But that was a great shorting opportunity. A lot of people might be shorting this actually, because you can see on Binance, we basically lost this major level that I had marked, which is the $500, $510, between 500 and 510 with the volatility, where you're getting massive resistance, massive support level. Now, if you break down like this and you come back and retest it, this was yesterday basically, before yesterday and yesterday. That was the moment of a potential short. And when could you take profits from this short? Well, keeping it simple, I don't really know if we are going to retest these lows. And basically, you know, good area to take profits, in my opinion, would be in between 60 and 50% Fibonacci retracement. So I do see this coming a little bit lower, in between 440 and